Very good morning, children. Sai Ram. In the last class, we have started this new chapter, isn't it, in grammar, adverbs. So, have you all understood what is an adverb? Yes. So, the words that tell us, which tell more about the verbs are called adverbs. Okay, the words which tell more about the verbs are called adverbs. Okay, and adverbs tell us how, when, and where something happens. Okay, so today we will do the remaining activities. Okay, children, so are you all ready? Yes. So we'll start with D. Rewrite the sentences using an adverb for each word. So we are going to give the adverb for each verb in the sentence. Okay, children? So shall we do? Yes. So see the first sentence. The woman walked. The woman walked. So here which one is verb? So first we'll find out verb, okay, and then we'll give an adverb for this verb. Okay, children? So in this sentence, which word is a verb? The woman walked. Which is a verb? Action word? Yes, walked. So walked is a verb. So which word can be given for this verb walked? Which adverb can be given for this word walked? So we can write the woman walked fastly. Yes, shall we write like that? Yes, fastly. So fastly is the adverb for walked. Fastly or slowly. Yes, so we can write the woman walked fastly. Okay, the woman walked fastly. So here fastly is the adverb. Okay, so shall we move on to the next one? Nita can write. Nita can write. So in this sentence, the verb is write. Isn't it? Verb is write. Verb means doing word or action word. So in this sentence, which one is doing word? Write. Isn't it? So which adverb can be given for this word write? So shall we give neatly? Nita can write neatly. Yes, shall we? So write. Nita can write neatly. Okay, Nita can write neatly. So here neatly is the adverb. Okay, see the next sentence. Kangaroo jumps. Kangaroo jumps. So here the doing word is jumps, isn't it? So for this doing word, which adverb can be given? Kangaroo jumps high. Yes. So write kangaroo jumps high. Okay. Kangaroo jumps high. Okay. Here high is the adverb. Okay, children. Kangaroo jumps high. So next one, fourth sentence. Telephone operator talks on the phone. Telephone operator talks on the phone. So in this sentence, which one is doing what? Talks, isn't it? Talks is the verb. So which adverb can be given? So telephone operator talks softly. So can we give softly? Yes. So we can give softly or loudly. Okay. Softly or loudly. So here we shall give softly. Okay. So telephone operator talks softly on the phone. Okay. Telephone operator talks softly on the phone. So shall I write somewhat neatly? So telephone operator talks softly on the phone. Okay. Telephone operator talks softly on the phone. So here softly is the adverb. Okay. For the verb talks. Okay. Telephone operator talks softly on the phone. Okay, children. So next, fifth one. Children sit in the class. Children sit in the class. So here which one is doing what? Sit. Isn't it? Sit. So which adverb can be given? Sit quietly. Okay. So children sit quietly in the class. Okay. So children sit quietly in the class. So here quietly is the adverb. Quietly is the adverb. Okay. For the verb sit. Children sit quietly in the class. Okay, children. The next one. The baby sleeps in the cradle. The baby sleeps in the cradle. So in this sentence, sleeps is a verb, isn't it? Sleeps is the verb. So which adverb can be given for the verb sleeps? Soundly. Yes, sleeps soundly can be given, isn't it? So the baby sleeps soundly in the cradle. Okay. The baby sleeps soundly in the cradle. So here soundly is the adverb. Okay. Soundly is the adverb. Okay. Sleeps is the verb. Okay. Have you all understood, children? Yes. The seventh one, Ramu reached home. Ramu reached home. So in this sentence, which one is doing what? Reached, isn't it? So which adverb can be given? Early or late, isn't it? Ramu reached home early or Ramu reached home late can be given, isn't it? So Ramu reached home early. Okay, Ramu reached home early. So here early is the adverb. Okay, early is the adverb and reached is the verb. Okay, Ramu reached home early or safely can be written. Ramu reached home safely. Okay. And next we'll move on to the next question. Answer the following questions using adverbs. Answer the following questions using adverbs. So they have given in the brackets. So we are going to use these words. Okay. So first question read, how did the soldier fight? How did the soldier fight? The soldier fought. Use this adverb. The soldier fought bravely. Okay. So here we have to write bravely. Okay. How did the soldier fight? The soldier fought bravely. Okay. The second question. How did Raj cross the road? How did Raj cross the road? Raj crossed the road. Here they have given careful. So here we have to write carefully. So Raj crossed the road carefully. Raj crossed the road carefully. Okay. And third question, how did Amit write? How did Amit write? Amit wrote, here they have given neat. So here neatly, isn't it? Amit wrote neatly. Amit wrote neatly. Okay. Have you all understood, children? Is it clear? Yes. Next one. Answer the following questions using adverbs from the help box. So we are going to answer the questions using the adverbs in the help box. So they have given the adverbs in this box. Late, everywhere, outside, up, yesterday, tomorrow. So we are going to use these adverbs to fill in the blanks. Okay, children? Shall we start? Yes. First question, when will the school reopen? When will the school reopen? So hereafter only the school is going to be reopened, isn't it? So the school will reopen. So which adverb will come? Tomorrow. So the school will reopen tomorrow. So here we have to write tomorrow. Okay. When will the school reopen? The school will reopen tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow is the adverb. Okay, children. See the second question. When did Ravi arrive? When did Ravi arrive? Ravi arrived dash last night. Ravi arrived dash last night. So which can be selected? Ravi arrived late last night. Yes. So here we have to write Ravi arrived late. Ravi arrived late last night. Okay. And the third one, when did he leave for his native place? When did he leave for his native place? He left for his native place dash. So he already left, isn't it? So which adverb can be given? Late already we have given. Everywhere? No. Outside? No. Up? No. Yesterday. So he left for his native place yesterday. So yesterday can be selected. So he left for his native place yesterday. Okay. And fourth one, where did my father look for him? Where did my father look for him? The answer is, my father looked for him dash. My father looked for him dash. So which adverb can be selected? My father looked for him everywhere. My father looked for him everywhere. So here we can write everywhere. Okay. My father looked for him everywhere. Okay. The next one, fifth one. Where is your mother sitting? Where is your mother sitting? The answer is, my mother is sitting outside. So my mother is sitting outside. Okay. My mother is sitting outside. Okay, children. The next one, where did the children look? Where did the children look? The children looked up. The children looked up. Okay. The children looked up. So with that, we have completed the chapter adverbs. So I hope you all have understood. Yes. So complete the answers. Okay, children. So complete the chapter. Okay. And then I will send the correct answers. Okay, children. I will post the correct answers in the group. Okay, children. So thank you.